Talo Falava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Moena. Today we will be learning how to talk about brothers and sisters in Samoan.
My USO, that's my USO, that's my USO, I love you. That's my USO, that's my USO, that's my USO, I love you.
So, we are going to bring out our little guests for us today. We have Dorothy. So Dorothy is the eldest sister. Then we have Owlette, who's the youngest sister. Then we have Captain America, who's the older brother, and Iron Man, who's the younger brother. So we're gonna start with Owlette and Captain America. So Owlette and Captain America are brother and sister. So when Owlette talks about her brother Captain America, she calls him Tuangane. Tuangane. Can you say that? Tuangane. Lele tele. Now when Captain America talks about his sister Owlette, he says Tuafafine. Tuafafine. Can we say that? Tuafafine. Lele tele. And now we're going to bring out our older sister Dorothy. So Dorothy and Owlette are both sisters. So when they talk to each other, they call each other Uso. So Owlette is Dorothy's Uso and Dorothy is Owlette's Uso. Yeah? Yes. Captain America and Iron Man. Captain America and Iron Man are brothers. And so when they talk about each other, Captain America says, "This is my Uso." And when Iron Man talks about his brother Captain America, he says, "This is my Uso." Can you say Uso? Lele tele. So what are our three ways of saying brothers and sisters? So we have Tuafafine, or we have Tuafafine when we've got our brother talking about his sister. We have Tuangane when we've got a sister talking about her brother. We also have Uso when the sisters talk about each other, and Uso when our brothers talk about each other. So our three ways are Tuafafine, Tuangane, and Uso. And that is how we say brothers and sisters in Samoan. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope that you have learnt something new in the Samoan language. If you would like us to continue making videos like these, make sure to subscribe to our channel down below. If you really liked our video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. We have links to some of our educational programs in the description, so make sure to check them out. And thank you so much for joining us all today. Whakataite le lava, manuia le aso.
That's my USO, that's my USO, that's my USO.